Okay, this is what we got on Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is almost all out and we even get a hands-on pictures and videos of upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And yes, every previous rumors and leaks were true, and you can expect these things from Z Flip 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to launch on August 10th and we're going to hit the market on August 26th along with Z Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, as confirmed by John Prosser. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to get a bigger battery and new hinge as it is confirmed by hands-on leaks and videos. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is confirmed. Are you guys okay with the specification? According to Tech Talk TV on his channel, even on his Twitter account shared pictures of official Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, where we see two lenses on the back and same design just like the Z Flip 3. But what changed is its new hinge design, which almost removed the crease, but it is still visible. According to his source, the outer display in the Z Flip 4 is not big, that as we already know it is around 2.1 inches, and you cannot see the real difference until you put both phones side by side. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 performed really well in the battery consumption, and it happens because of new 3700 mAh battery and new Snapdragon 1 Plus processor with 10% more power GPU and CPU and 30% more power efficient than the previous generation, so you can expect such a great battery on the Z Flip 4. Sad news for camera lovers, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 produced same results just like the last generation Z Flip 3. It means we can expect same cameras, 12MP main lens, 12MP ultra wide and 10MP selfie camera. The design is quite similar, even the fingerprint scanner is in the power button and bezels are almost like the same Galaxy Z Flip 3. As per hands-on videos and leaks, the crease looks really good. Not even noticeable, but the light reflection you can see the crease. Still a big improvement over last generation Z Flip 3, and there's still a space between displays while you fold the phone. Well, people don't even bother with this. The hinge is reduced thanks to Samsung new technology, as per leaks called single hinge design. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is confirmed. Are you guys okay with the specification? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.